Hello. This is Riley at Junkaby here, off the dock. On the trout rod, a slab, what looks to be starry flounder. I think that's what it is. Sorry, flounder on! Oh, he's landed! No way! Crazy. Come here, buddy. You're coming to the surface world. That's a slab. Sorry, flounder, man. Come on, little crocodile.
Nice.
Slab. Sorry.
Yes.
No, he's going back into the earth. Or to the ocean, I should say.